might have censored कि ये chatting से related होगा, but no, it is not related to your chat. जो हम normally we are doing like on WhatsApp and all we are doing. So it is not for chatting purpose. It is just for helping you. Like every day we have to make lesson plans, we have to make MCQs, we have to make. Yesterday also ma'am has taken a meeting and ma'am told us about edit tools. So we all are confused कि किस तरह के edit tools हम लोग use करेंगे. Obviously we are confused because the thing जब हमको कोई चीज़ नहीं आती है तो we are मतलब like we are sense कि कैसे होगा, कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, because our teachers doesn't told us like this. So these are the things that will help you. Actually ChatGPT एक AI platform है. Every day you are heard कि we are having Atal Lab. That is Atal Lab is the you can say एक policy है, but it is related to AI. That is artificial intelligence. As you can understand कि artificial intelligence you all know artificial that is not real. That is not real. Means that is machinery, man-made things. This is so we are having a presentation like table of contents. We will have what is ChatGPT advantages and disadvantages. ChatGPT versus Google. GPT stands for your generative pre-trained transformer. But firstly, I want to tell you what do we mean by chat. मतलब in normal what we use chatting means conversating to each other, but not chat. की full form है conversational hypertext access technology. It is related to technology. Chat is not something we are doing chit chat in our rooms. So ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that uses natural language processing to create human-like conversational dialogues. You all have heard about Alexa and which is आजकल हमारे पास बहुत सारे devices हैं. Alexa to open the door, switch on the AC, switch on the fans. Like this we are having. So means we are communicating to computer, we are communicating to technology with the human-like language. The same thing is put up here. This is developed by it is developed by OpenAI. AI research जो है आपकी कंपनी है. It was launched in November 2022. Sorry, it was launched in 2022. But the data इसका एक drawback ये है कि this is a man-made thing. Obviously जब मशीन के अंदर जितना काम हम डालेंगे, जितना डाटा हम पुट करेंगे, only that can be done.
जैसे ये टेस्ट आपके घर.
So ChatGPT है. It was developed by researcher Elon Musk and Sam Altman in 2015. After that, जब they had put the data, after that they got separated. That's why इसका एक drawback है कि इसके अंदर only September 2021 तक का data है. Means after that if we ask NEP 2022, it might not know because it has the data only up to September 2021. But the thing is, OpenAI get its you can say publicity और ये बहुत जल्दी within 5 days it has crossed 10 lakh registrations. Only within 5 days it get 10 lakh registration. इसका कुछ advantages है, but before that I want to show you a video. As you all know that I am a computer teacher, तो मैंने अभी किया what I have done. I had just downloaded a script. Means I just searched on ChatGPT. video and tell me कि इसके अंदर क्या drawback है. Means you can see the animations are so good, the data is correct, everything is shown. If you know the MS Word little bit, you can see कि data is correct, everything it is showing very correctly. But इसके अंदर एक drawback है, वो मुझे कौन बताएगा? Just tell me कि एक drawback है, क्या drawback?
There's nothing is written on that or something.
No, it is written for picnic. Yes, ma'am has said right that video is not related to the content. Why it is so? Because obviously it is the artificial intelligence. I had put a table, tables. I want to teach tables in MS Word. That the column rows and columns, but they had understood that table, dining table, they had understood, and it has made the video like this. So this is the drawback. So one thing not to worry about is yes, artificial intelligence, some drawbacks are there. It is not so कि it will take our job. It can be a smart manager. अब आप लोगों ने सोचा, suppose ma'am is having last day who were in meeting, they know that ma'am ने किसी को bind कराने के लिए बोला था photos. Ma'am has just grabbed the cover and the person has that binded up all four. मतलब उसने cover को भी bind कर दिया. That what was that?
मैंने दो फोटोज बनाई ड्राइंग मेरे ऑफिस में लगी है, तो आई सेंड इट टू सुनील कि इसको फ्रेम कराना है. बड़े दिन हो गए, आई आस्क्ड हिम कि वो फ्रेम हो गई पेंटिंग्स. बोला हाँ वो चारों फ्रेम हो गई. मैंने कहा दो दिए थे तो बच्चे कहाँ से होंगे उसके. मैंने तो दो ही दी थी. तो वो जो पेंटिंग्स जिस कागज में मैंने रफ पेपर पे करी थी ना, वो ही काटेड है.
So I am taking that example only. Means कहाँ problem थी? इस sense में कहाँ problem थी? Whether it is the problem from the ma'am order or it is the problem of Sunil sir. Communication problem is there. So that is the problem of ChatGPT also. If you write it correctly. If I have to write, make a PowerPoint presentation on tables, so I should have clarified that it is not related to computer. It is my mistake that I have written something wrong. That's why it has made presentation like this. So
I also said it was my mistake. Now I tell him 10 times, and I especially told Sonia back when she was saying, "Oh, the वही mistake करी मैंने हर एक में composite ना सीखा." मैं बोला था उससे मंगवा लो, उसे चेक कर लो. मैं अभी भी कौन हूँ जिन्होंने बैलेंस दिए ना 2 बार चेक किया. मंगवा के देखा करो, वो कुछ ना कुछ करेगा.
So we are going to discuss advantages of ChatGPT. Advantages क्या है? Why we will use ChatGPT? मतलब firstly I would like to tell कि मुझे ये ChatGPT किसने सिखाया? My 6th class nephew जो 6th class में पढ़ता है, he told me कि बुआ आपको आता है ChatGPT. And I said no. I am from technical background, but still I don't know. So that is the problem. कि children know better than us. Nowadays, now various technologies are there. We are knowing less. So as a parent, as an educator, we have to work according it. Because children can fool us. So better is कि हमें ज़्यादा होशियार होना पड़ेगा. So advantages of ChatGPT are it is wide range of application we can make. Emails we can have, newsletters we can write, books over here. Obviously वो हमें पूरी बुक लिख कर नहीं देगा. We have to tell कि मुझे इस टॉपिक पर 200 वर्ड्स का एक पैराग्राफ चाहिए. For that मुझे एक पैराग्राफ चाहिए, मुझे एक लेसन चाहिए, मुझे एक टेबल चाहिए. We have to tell you. It will not write complete book for you, but still it can help you a lot. Means your 70% or 80% work can be done by ChatGPT only. इसका ये है natural language processing. Obviously you can talk in your own language. In Hindi, in Sanskrit, in Hindi, Sanskrit,
English, Kannada, every language.
It can understand variety of languages. जिसमें आप बात करना चाहे, it can give you result also in that languages also. Means it is not compulsory to always write it in English. You can write it in Hindi and it will give you answer in Hindi also. Contextual understanding. What do you mean by contextual understanding? It means आपने देखा होगा everybody is using YouTube nowadays. Everybody is using. आपने आज एक टॉपिक सर्च किया. Suppose you have searched the topic on science. आपने 2-3 वीडियो देखी, नेक्स्ट डे ऑल्सो यू हैव सर्च द सिमिलर टॉपिक एंड यू हैव वॉच 2-3 वीडियोज ओवर इट। थर्ड डे क्या होगा, एज सून एज
Automatic.
यूट्यूब उससे रिलेटेड कंटेंट आपको विजिबल होना शुरू हो जाएगा। सो मतलब दैट इज कॉन्टेक्चुअल लर्निंग। आज आपके लैपटॉप पर जितनी ChatGPT पर सर्च होगी, नेक्स्ट टाइम ओवर वो अपने रिजल्ट को उसी अकॉर्डिंगली चेंजेस कर देगा, कस्टमाइज कर देगा, मीन्स इट कैन अंडरस्टैंड योर रिक्वायरमेंट्स एज पर योर चैनल। नेक्स्ट इज continuously learning, same continuous learning. ChatGPT is also learned from you also. It has the data up to 2021, but since it learns from you, आपको देखेगा आपने क्या सर्च किया, बट इसके अंदर कुछ लाइकिंग का भी ऑप्शन होता है। इट मीन्स इट हैज गिवन आंसर, यू हैव लाइक्ड इट एवरी टाइम, तो मीन्स इट कैन अपडेट कि वो से समझेगा कि यस मेरा आंसर तो हमेशा ही सही है, इट विल नॉट चेंज इट्स आंसर। तो उसकी कुछ लिमिटेशन, एक तो है लैक ऑफ रियल टाइम इंफॉर्मेशन। रियल टाइम आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर दैट द डाटा इज अप टू 2021 ओनली, सितंबर 2021, तो इसका रियल टाइम नहीं है। अब नाउ यू कैन आस्क मी अ क्वेश्चन, we are having search engine like Google, we are using since long, so what is the difference between Google and chat? Everything, मतलब हम लोग कहते हैं गूगल बाबा, जो कुछ चाहिए वो गूगल से मिल जाएगा, सब कुछ ही। तो इसमें और उसमें डिफरेंस क्या है, दैट वी विल सी आल्सो। लिमिटेशन इसकी देख लेते हैं, पोटेंशियल फॉर इनएक्यूरेट बायस रिस्पॉन्सेस। मैंने आपको बताया कि अगर आपने किसी गलत रिस्पॉन्स को भी कॉन्टिन्यूसली लाइक किया, 10 लोगों ने 15 लोगों ने लाइक कर दिया, it will understand that this is a correct answer. हाँ, it will go for majority. जो आप सर्च करेंगे उसके अंदर ऑब्वियसली आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस है, उसके अंदर खुद का दिमाग नहीं है कि ये wrong है। बायस होगी, ऑब्वियसली पर्सन हैज बीन प्रोटेक्टेड। अब नेक्स्ट इज they have created the biased information in context of religion and other things. Humans are going to protect the information. 10 people.
It is related to religion, no? Everywhere it will be biased.
Yeah,
That is there.
exactly.
That is all. So let's talk about education material only. And that is very clear that we get the material before 24 September 21.
Yes.
So this is not how it is now. So
Now the difference is ChatGPT and Google. Yes ma'am, but it is factual. वो बहुत उन्होंने ओरिजिनल डाटा दिया है। It will not answer your religion question कि मुझे ये धर्म करना है, वो नहीं आएगा। So the difference is between ChatGPT and Google is हम लोग कुछ भी सर्च करते हैं, what the Google answer is, Google क्या करेगा, it will give you a link. Suppose if I have to make an MCQ test, I will search a topic कि give me 10 MCQ on MS Word. Will it give me links? आपको हर link every time you have to open that link. Sometimes it will ask you to purchase, sometimes it will ask you the result और उसको आप copy नहीं कर सकते. It will be there. But ChatGPT is always there for you. It is always जो भी content it will present. You can copy it, you can use it for editing everything. Main function क्या है? ChatGPT is an AI language model, but Google is your search engine. Interactivities. Now ChatGPT is your like personal assistant. Everything you can ask, you can talk like this. Hey, ChatGPT, do me others, do me this. Means like we are communicating, you can communicate like this to ChatGPT, but no, you can't do it with Google. It has a wide range of application, but Google can search only. Adapt to user interaction means Google cannot adapt your shape as an on based on your choice, but ChatGPT can. It does real time information is limited. अब कुछ हम करके देखते हैं why what we have to do. Now I will show you some searches कि ChatGPT actually work कैसे करता है. Means बहुत सारी theoretical बातें हुई. Let's do some practical. Suppose I want to make a timetable. I want to make a timetable for my son. I had just typed its requirements. I had just typed, write me a timetable. There are basic details of my daily schedule. I have to ready for school for 1 hour and go to school for 6 hours, then took rest, have lunch, later and so on. मतलब मैंने उसको पूरा शेड्यूल दे दिया कि मैं what I will do. This is the first screen of your ChatGPT. See how fastly, how quickly it has made all the timetables. See, it has included all the things. You can see morning routine, school hours, afternoon break, tuition homework, tuition hours, short rest, school homework, evening routine, and bedtime. Everything it has included, but still it has given a message. See, please note that this schedule assumes school and tuition on regular days. If your school or tuition timing change on specific days, तो आप उसके लिए कुछ एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज कर सकते हैं. मीन्स इसने इस चीज़ का भी ध्यान रखा है. मीन्स कि ये कंफर्म नहीं है वीकेंड्स पर वी कैन हैव हॉलीडेज ऑफ ट्यूशन. तो उसने वो चीज़ भी मेंशन की है कि उस टाइम पे जब आपके ट्यूशंस नहीं है यू कैन हैव एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज और अदर कमिटमेंट्स. राइट. अब इसमें क्या दिक्कत थी कि इसने अपने आप टाइम अज्यूम कर लिया. स्कूल टाइम अज्यूम कर लिया ना. अगर मेरा स्कूल टाइम डिफरेंट है व्हाट विल आई डू. आई विल राइट मी अ टाइम टेबल. आई वोक अप एट दिस टाइम. I wakes up at 6:30 a.m. and gets ready for school 7:30 and now means I have put up the time also. मैंने उसको टाइम भी बता दिया कि मैं इस टाइम उठती हूँ, मैं इस टाइम ये करती हूँ. एंड नाउ व्हाट विल यू डू. अब इसके अकॉर्डिंगली इट विल मेक योर टाइम टेबल. See how quickly it has done. Complete timetable has been done. So you can use like this. We will discuss some example very quickly. Next day means I have talked to you कि हम लोग अपने as an educator how we can make use of ChatGPT. Now we will see some 2-3 examples regarding that. Suppose I have to make a script for presentation. I have put in the question. Please provide me a script. Please provide me a script for presentation on you which must include your advantages, your limitation, difference between you and Google, and it must be done in points and use of table must be there. Means I had asked to ChatGPT कि तुम अपने लिए ही मुझे प्रेजेंटेशन बनाकर दो कि तुम में क्या एडवांटेजेस है, क्या लिमिटेशन है. Yes, I had copied almost the content from it. We can edit also. So almost content is same but not complete. देखो अब यहाँ क्या दिक्कत है. यहाँ दिक्कत आई मैंने इसको वर्ड की लिमिटेशन नहीं दी. बहुत लंबा दिख रहा है ना कि बहुत सारा बना दिया. 9 स्लाइड्स से बना दिया. कंटेंट इज टू मच. इफ आई हैव टू मेक ओनली 5 to 6 स्लाइड्स आई कैन राइट आल्सो लाइक दिस. प्लीज द specify my requirement कि 200 words के बीच में होना चाहिए. only 4 slides will be there. ठीक है. तो now it has reduced the number of slides. You can see only first introduction, second advantages, third limitation it has done, and fourth is different between GPT 3.5 and Google. Sorry, I forgot to tell that now we are using it free. It is the version of GPT 3.5. इससे बाद वाला version is a paid version, but it works very well at the free level. Means we need not to buy it. See, अब इसमें 5 बना दी. क्यों? Because
we have specified that.
मैंने उसको बोला एडवांटेज इसके अलग होना चाहिए तो बट ये इज अ स्मार्ट असिस्टेंट. उसने मुझे लगा कि रिक्वायरमेंट्स तो पूरी करनी है, 4 में नहीं हो रही चलो 5 में करते हैं. सो एवरी टाइम यू विल डू. तो इसका एक ड्रॉबैक ये है कि आपको हर टाइम इसको एक न्यू चैट पे क्लिक करना चाहिए. अदरवाइज व्हाट यू विल डू it will take your previous searches also. If you don't want कि वो मेरी previous searches से कुछ सीखे, तो every time you just click on new chat. Okay. Next example is we will see a script for uses of different computer parts in 5 minutes. I had specified कि मुझे सिर्फ 5 मिनट की स्क्रिप्ट चाहिए, थर्ड क्लास के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए चाहिए, एंड इट मस्ट हैव द कैरेक्टर्स, ये 5 कैरेक्टर्स उसके अंदर होने चाहिए, एंड द डायलॉग्स मस्ट बी ऑफ 1 or 2 lines long. I had specified my requirements. Now see, it will show you the characters it had shown. See, the script is written in Hindi. Teacher smiling. नमस्ते बच्चों, आज हम कंप्यूटर के पुर्जे और उनके उपयोग पर चर्चा करेंगे. Means everything, whatever you search, it will show you in there. All the it will create emails, newsletter. I'll show you how to make MCQs test also. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we can make assignments.
You know what? It is planning now a learning outcome and competency based. The type of things
Yes.
I want. You have to relate them to the daily life. This is what you want, and you want to make a case study related.
It will not work on pictures.
So now you can see the more limitation of it
How to
is
make
that
that slide to make the picture one.
that I will show in the end. Actually, it is not from the chatbot, ChatGPT. It is from. I forgot एक limitation और है जो मैम ने मुझे याद दिलाया. Limitation क्या है? अब और कौन बताएगा? Means we had seen 3-4 examples over here. So you can tell one limitation also is there.
We can't add pictures and
Yes, ChatGPT is a textual based content creator. यहाँ पर आपको सिर्फ content मिलेगा. So you can say it is a limitation. It can be an advantage. If a student is using, we can say it is an advantage because no pictures, no videos, no ad is there. So it is an advantage for student. But as we are educated, so some disadvantages there. If we want an interactive worksheet, so we cannot make it, but we can get the content from him and some others AI presentations are there.
इस कंटेंट को जैसे हमने यहाँ पे बना लिया और हमसे MS Word या फिर PowerPoint कॉपी
You can add the picture then. Yes, copy and paste.
I showed you our presentation. वो यहीं से था ChatGPT से I had downloaded the script, I had copied it from there and I had pasted as it is. Without editing, I had pasted that in a different site and within 2 minutes उसने पूरी वीडियो मुझे बनाकर दे दी. We can do editing in that also. So that I will show it you later. अब है lesson plan. सबसे बड़ा एक fear होता है हमारे अंदर. Everybody is doing making lesson plan for everything. हाँ. The points that are mentioned in our teacher diary means we have to make our objective, उसका learning outcome क्या होगा, rubrics क्या होगा. See, I had written 4-5 things. What will be that it must include? I have to make a lesson plan for the topic noun for grade 4. Include objectives, topics covered, learning outcome, activities. It can suggest activities also. Rubrics of assessment, teaching methodology, and it must not exceed 300 words. 300 words से ज़्यादा नहीं होनी चाहिए.
Power cut.